So this week we're gonna take a little break from Project Ghost. Not because we don't have anything to do, because there's still a lot of stuff to do on it, but this car has been neglected a bit and needs a lot of work. So this is a 1988 Chrysler Conquest. Same thing as a Mitsubishi Starion, just this is the US version. So this is the TSI with the intercooler option. And yeah, this thing's just been having a rough time. So we're gonna tune it up, get it running smoothly.
I mean turbo option.
Because apparently some of them came with no intercoolers. So you can get a turbo with no intercooler. And then this one's a turbo factory intercooler. Yeah, all right. Yeah, let's show the battery and hopefully we can see the radiator hose. All right, and so yeah, again, it's been neglected a bit. And as you can see, there's a whole bunch of wiring here. There's just some random stuff here. You know, random leads are just exposed. So we're gonna clean all that up. Whoever installed this radiator hose didn't do it right. It's gonna be hard to capture on camera. We'll show you guys when we remove it, but it's riding on that pulley, so it completely destroyed the hose. It's holding no coolant, so we can't drive it. We're also gonna put a nice set of wheels on this car. Right now it's got some crazy stagger. So at the front, we got these, I have no idea what wheels these are. If you guys know, you know, put it in the comments. We got some 16 inches in the front. And then in the back, we got a crazy 4-inch stagger with these other wheels that don't even match. And these are 20-inch. So we're gonna put some nice fresh wheels on there, even wheels. Yeah, we're gonna do a couple of little maintenance things, get this thing running, get it running good, get it registered. Yeah, and then we'll get back on Project Ghost. They're like completely black. Look at that. Completely covered in soot. Just old. All right, so we finished working on the Starion. It got really dark and pretty crazy before we when we had cut the camera already. So yeah, let me just show you guys all the new stuff that's on there. So we put a fresh coil on there, and we got rid of all the wiring that was all like tangled up and just like random wires everywhere. We put all new belts in here. We put the coolant hoses, got a new thermostat in there, and we got a new distributor in there because it just wouldn't run. And so when we were trying to bleed the coolant, it actually just like started spewing everywhere, and we could see like brown stuff in it. So this engine is no good, so we're probably gonna end up swapping it. You know, according to the owner, he wants to just swap it instead of trying to deal with the headache that this engine is. And so, you know, drop a comment down below what we should swap it with. He's thinking about keeping it Mitsubishi, but you never know, we can go with a different route. So yeah, drop a comment, let us know what you think we should put in this. Yeah, this thing is done for now. Engine's no good, was what it looks like. Yeah, we're gonna have to continue on to, you know, Project Ghost again. So for now, this one's done, and you guys will see it again once we get back on it. So thank you for watching. You know, like, comment, and subscribe. Share it with your friends. We're gonna be having a lot more cars on these videos now, and we're gonna be doing a lot more project-based stuff. You know, obviously this one was, I guess, a little more normal with just services and maintenance, but it was just to get this thing up and running. And you can see we put the wheels on, so it looks a lot nicer now instead of having that ugly stagger setup. Yeah, so it looks nice, and now we've got to get it running fully and nice.